So let's say we have a formula like odd plus odd equals even. Now, one of the rules of the way we form numbers is that we don't want to have a number that starts with 0. So even could be, say, 3, 4, 3, 5. That would be a perfectly valid set of digits to fill in for the word even. But it shouldn't be 0, 4, 0, 5, because we just don't normally write numbers with a leading 0. So I excluded that. How did I do it? So I did a regular expression search for the regular expression /b, which matches at a word boundary. B stands for boundary. And then I'm looking for a 0 followed by any digit 0 to 9. And I'm looking for that within f, and I want that to be not true. So if I took this string here, something plus something equals 0405, and I did this regular expression search, it's saying, find me a word boundary, a boundary between a letter and or a digit and something that's a punctuation or something else, a word boundary followed by a 0 followed by another digit. It would say, yes, indeed, that search does succeed, and it succeeds right here. The 0 and the 4 match, and I want that not to succeed, so I would return false. I would rule out this case where we have a word starting with 0 and 4. And I did that, one, just because it's good form, that normally you don't allow valid numbers to start with a 0, and also because in Python we could come up with an error because of that. Here's the problem. In a Python program, the string 0, 1, 2 corresponds to an integer, but the integer it corresponds to is not 12, it's 10. Why is that? Well, it's an old historical accident way back in the 1970s. The C programming language defined it that way, where they said any number that starts with a 0 is going to be interpreted as an octal number, which means base 8. And so 0, 1, 2 means 1, 8, 0, 8 squared, and 2 more, so 8 plus 2 is 10. And so that would give us the wrong answer if we allowed octal numbers to sneak in where we were expecting decimal. And it would also give us a possible error. If we had the string 0, 9, that gives you an error because that's not 9 is not an octal digit. So to avoid all those problems, I put in this regular expression that says anytime you see a leading 0, just rule it out.